what if telling an AI to show its work made it dramatically more accurate? Chain of thought prompting asks a model to reason through a problem step by step before giving its final answer. Instead of jumping straight to a conclusion, the model generates intermediate reasoning steps, like thinking out loud. This visible reasoning process helps it catch errors and build toward a more accurate result, rather than guessing in one shot. It shines on tasks that require complex reasoning. Multi-step math problems, logical deductions, code debugging, or any problem where each step depends on the previous one. Ask a model directly for the answer to a hard math problem, and it often gets it wrong. Ask it to work through each step, and accuracy jumps dramatically. The more interdependent the steps, the bigger the benefit. You can trigger chain of thought with a simple phrase like think step by step, or by providing few-shot examples that show explicit reasoning before each answer. The model picks up the pattern. The main trade-off is token usage. Chain of thought generates far more output than a direct answer, increasing cost and latency. Skip it for simple queries, but for complex reasoning where accuracy is critical, it is well worth the cost. Chain of thought trades extra tokens for better reasoning. Use it on complex tasks where accuracy matters most. Try answering this question yourself below. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.